how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair. So let's go and see how I straighten my hair. In case you didn't watch other hair care videos, link will be in the description box below. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Now let's go and watch this straightening video. So first, before we straighten the hair, we'll look at what we need. We need, of course, a hair straightener, a brush to comb, and a comb so that we can comb the hair after straightening, a heat protection spray. I'm using BB Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heat Protection. Anything is fine. I'm not recommending anything. I think everything does the same job. Don't worry about the costly or the inexpensive one. Go for what is in your budget. And of course you need a band like this, hair band, and one more thin band here, one more thin band, one clip to put up your hair, and this is it. First let me on this, and I will heat it up to 370 degrees. I have medium thick hair, so I'm going to heat it up until 370 degrees. This is according to my manufacturer recommendations. When you buy a straightener, they will tell you which temperature to use only that temperature. And let's go. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair. First, one important point I want to mention is applying constant heat to your hair will damage your hair. So make sure you are using it for absolutely special occasions and not for everyday use. You don't want to damage your hair in the long run. And it's very important to use a heat protection spray when you are straightening or curling your hair. So this is my hair, medium length hair, and it's naturally wavy. This is my hair naturally, it's wavy. So I like my hair a little bit straightened, and I will put a braid and sleeve in it, and it will naturally curl up a little bit. Not too much, but it looks really pretty, and I like it. Most importantly, if I like it, I'm happy. So let's see how I straighten my hair. I already put my hair straightener for temperature so that it will heat up. So now that I combed my hair and removed all my tangles, now what we are going to do is, first step is spray the hair straightener all over the hair. Make sure you are saturating it and inner parts too. It's very important so that your hair is not damaged. I think I pretty much got every part in my hair. And now we are not going to use the other part right now. So we will put a hairband to it and push it aside. Now that we applied the heat spray, we are going to gently brush it. Not too hard or not too sensitive, just brush your hair. See, you can see the product on my hair. Now what we are doing is taking small sections and we'll straighten so that you don't need too much of heat at one time, and you are not using heat over the same strand of hair multiple times so that you are damaging it. And I'm taking a hairband, and just going to take this hair off of my shoulder so that I can straighten this part of the hair. Gently brush it one more time, and now it's ready to straighten. Take the straightener and go all the way to the ear, but do not touch the ear. It's hot. Remember that. Can you see the straightening? It's happening. See, all the way to the ear. I'll go one more time. Can you see how the Smoke is coming. It's that hot. It's 370 degrees, and make sure you don't want to use it over and over again on your hair. We'll push this aside and take another strand of the hair. Another small section, and push the rest of the hair out of your way. Gently brush it and straighten it. See that? It doesn't need too much ironing. 2 times max and it's straight. We will one time join this with the other strand of hair that we straighten, and just comb through so that the heat distributes and straightens it. See, perfect. And now we'll get another strand of hair for this. Don't work in like huge strands of hair, guys. That will make sure like it doesn't straighten, and you're going through multiple times heat through your hair. So work in small sections so that you're done quickly and you're not heating up your hair too much. See this? One more time. And we'll comb up our hair again with remaining hair. See, it's straight. Looks perfect. Again, we are putting a hairband to it so that it won't mix in other hair. This you can do it in one thing, so I'm doing it in one go. It's that easy, guys. Straightening your hair, if you want to do it, it's very easy at home. Curls, I'm yet to master it, but once I master it, I'll show you how to curl your hair. Comb through one time so that all my hair is straight. Can you see that? Let me do the other part and I will show you my entire hair after straightening. Put the rubber band on so that it won't mix with other hair. So this is it, my hair. Everything is straightened. Can you see that? It was wavy and now it's straight. It took me 20 minutes, that's it, to straighten my hair. Tell me in the comment section below if you straighten your hair or not, or would you like to. And don't forget to check out other hair care stuff available on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with a new video next time. Bye.